Imagine pressing the gas pedal to merge onto the highway. The engine is roaring, the RPM is climbing, but the car just feels sluggish and heavy, like you are towing an invisible anchor. If your check engine light is staring back at you with the code P072E, your car is stuck in third gear. This is incredibly common, especially if you drive a Volkswagen or an Audi, though it happens to others too. Being stuck in third gear is what we call a fail-safe or limp mode. Your transmission control module, the TCM, realized something was wrong with the data it was seeing. Maybe the speeds did not match up or a solenoid failed. So, to prevent the transmission from blowing itself to pieces, it locked itself into a safe, middle-of-the-road gear. It allows you to limp to a shop, but please, do not try to drive normal highway speeds like this. You will overheat the engine and the torque converter. The causes here can range from the simple to the complex. It could be a blockage in the hydraulic lines inside the transmission, or it could be a shift solenoid that is mechanically jammed. But often, the culprit is the automatic transmission fluid itself. If you have never changed your transmission fluid and you are hitting high mileage, that old sludge-filled fluid cannot create the pressure needed to shift gears. Your first step is to check that fluid level. A lot of modern cars do not have a dipstick, so you might need to check the service manual for the proper procedure. If the fluid is low, you have a leak, plain and simple. Check your driveway for red puddles. Another sneaky cause, specifically for the TCM, is water damage. If that module is located somewhere exposed, water intrusion can corrode the pins, causing it to lose its mind and lock you in third gear. Before you replace parts, verify the fluid is clean and full, and check the electrical connector on the transmission for any green, crusty corrosion.